Are you from Kondhwa, Undri, Wanawadi or any nearby area and looking for iPhone and iPad sales and service? Then your search ends here. We also deal with all iPhone and iPad accessories, mobile repairing and all types of laptop repairing. We help you to buy back or exchange any mobile with best rate. The best thing about us is that we do not forget our old customers and believe in long-term relationships after sales and service. So what are you waiting for? Visit our store today itself to get great support. Our contact numbers are 020796111016 or 8055299901 or 9970871786.